Hi everyone, in this video we will learn the instructions that is necessary in order to make a good lab reports from the manufacturing process lab related. So here I will give you the instructions that is necessary. The informations you will see in the display is not correct. This is just a dummy informations. This is just for your sake of informations. Okay, first of all, your lab reports will be in New Times Romans, and that is okay. And your body size format size is 12. Make it justify. So I will check these things whenever I evaluate your lab reports. And then the main titles of your experiments. Let's say this is the first experiments of the lab sessions. So then click this on heading 1 and this is the background theory. Let's say some theory related to turning operations and others stuff that is required. So it depends on you what types of informations you will provide. So let's say the next titles that is related to this titles, so it will comes under the umbrella of this title. So it will be main titles and it will be subtitle. So we will give it the heading. Now remember, there must be written 1 and there must be written 1.1. So don't write by manuals. If you write by manuals, you will do lots of mistakes. So it is a simple rules. Just it will automatically then you write if you apply these rules. So click on this home button and then this multi-level list, and then define the new multi-level list, and then one for heading for heading 1, indentations, then 2 for heading 2. Okay, remember here must be heading 2. If you are open for the first time, there will be no style, so you will click on heading 2 and then again okay, align, yes, then press OK. So these are our first experiment titles. So the word documents given it's automatically as 1, and this is the subtitles of this experiment 1, so it will be 1.1. Now come to the home buttons and then click on this and modify it. So it must be in black color, and it is the main heading is in 14, and in New Times Romans bold. Okay, now the second heading must be in black color. For formatting is 14. For the subheading is 12. Must be bold. Okay, so things are very easy. So all the subheadings of this experiment number 1 that is related to experiment number 1 just correlated with heading. So the numbers you will see automatically. Then the project location, let's say these are not the must titles that will be related to this experiment number 1. These are just dummy, so I'm just giving you the instructions how you will write the formatting. So home, then click on this heading 2. So whenever you have any kinds of pictures in your lab reports, give them a proper citations. So reference, then insert captions. So this is a reaction turbine is okay. Remember, this must be in centers and your pictures will also be in center. So I will look these things in your lab reports during formatting. So here is the tables. The table must be in at center, and captions of the table. So this is not figure, this is table, and it must be above. So I select above, click. The name of this table is related to location. Now this and now next is the experiment. Let's say now the next is experiment number 2 started. So you will then press this home button. Once you are link these headings with the multi-level lists, I hope you understand it. At the start of the video I understand you that how you will link the multi-level list with this heading 1 and 2. Now click this as a second experiment so started, so it will be in heading 1. Now this concept is related to this experiment 2, so it will be in your heading 2. Sorry. So click this on concept. Now heading 2 automatically at 2.1. So it means this concept is related to titles 2. So it means this concept is the subtitles of this main title. So again, it must be in center, and then the project, then the caption set must also be in center. Now the next thing that is coming is the table of content. So how you will insert the table of content? It's very easy. First of all, go to the layout sections, then section break, next page, click on this, then go to the references, add table of content. Then you can add insert table of figures also. So these are necessaries and contents, so you must put that in the lab reports, so your lab reports look unique and good one. So next thing is to give the page number, header and footer details. So remember, when you are giving table of content, you must go to the layout and then apply the section break. Okay, layout and then break. So it is already broken, so that's why here section 1 and here is section 2. So in table of contents, when you are giving table of contents, it must be different sections. So if one is section 1, the other must be section 2. So header and footers, link to previous, uncheck it. Now insert. page number I'm giving on the top. You can give at the bottom as well, but it's up to you where you are giving the page number, but it must contain the page number. So I'm giving on the top. So now it start from 2. Remember, your page number should always start from 1. So click on this and then format the page number and start at 1. Okay, and at the bottom you have to write your registration number. Now give the table of content number should start from Roman number, not from other numbers. So again, insert page number on top, but it must be Roman number. To the format and it will be in Roman number. Okay, so this is all about the instructions related to lab reports, manufacturing processes. So your table of content look like this, and page numbers, font size are the things I clarified to you. And the last thing, that is the referencing. For referencing, you can search on the Google. You will find lots of videos. If you add them in references, it will be the plus point for you, but it's optional for now. And one more important thing, your lab report must not be copied. So every individuals have unique lab reports. Thank you so much. If you have any confusions and questions, you can ask.